going on YouTube, man? We back, another video. Finally got the car home after picking it up from the paint shop a few days ago. I ain't touched it since, but it's been sitting here. And just want to get y'all like kind of update on the paint situation right now, which, you know, me and my guy, we done already linked up, so we're gonna get that taken care of. But I'm gonna show y'all paint and stuff right now, so, and a couple of other things that we got going on right now anyway with the car as well as my son's car. So anyway, let me flip this camera around and show y'all like kind of what everything's been going on, where we at in the process with all the cars. So y'all, it's raining like crazy outside. So we had tornadoes yesterday, all kind of stuff, man. As y'all can see, man, it just threw my flower beds all over the place. All this stuff's crazy. I wonder if the kids even cleaned up my porch yet. Yeah, they picked up the porch, blew all my stuff off the porch yesterday. So it's been just a process, but as y'all can see, without me getting wet, we've been actually wrapping the Camaro white, because y'all know every car is gonna be white but this one. And we actually started, you know, we're gonna take all the wheels off and just do like a gloss coat on the wheels. So we've been kind of looking at how that's gonna look, but the white actually turned out pretty nice anyway. So let me get out of the rain on that. But this one, we next got to get the wheels done. I'm uncertain if I want to powder coat these black, take the Escalade wheels, powder coat those black. I'm just confused if I want to do them all white and black, or if I'm just going to do just them all white, because I think I get tired of seeing the white and black CT6s, and I don't want to blend in with everybody else and just have a white and black CT6. So, but I don't know, the white and black CT6 looks good, so that's still a possibility to just black those out. And then try to find me some monochrome, not monochrome, but the black badges and a monochrome emblem, which I know they didn't make them for the CT6, but I think the XT5 will fit the CT6, so we'll see about that. But anyway, show y'all this paint, man, and my guy hooked up for me. I know you probably can't tell very well, but see if I can show y'all some of the stuff that me and him got. We're gonna talk about on it. He's gonna try to take care of for me. See if I can get real close. There we go. As y'all can see, it's got some trash in it. Just a little bit of trash in the paint. So we're supposed to get together and get that looked at when we go ahead and repaint the car. And he's like, I'll touch it up for you. You know, free of charge, no big deal. So, you know, that's kind of where I'm at with the hood and the trunk. Trunk's kind of dusty. You can't really tell. The trunk came out pretty spot on. A lot of the stuff is like not even on the trunk, it's just dust. But the trunk came out good. He did say, you know, what happened was when he was clearing it, one of his fans kicked on and kind of like blew some stuff up. So no big deal. We'll get that taken care of. Also, we got new U-joints coming for it, because I'm having an issue it's weird, it's just at 60 miles an hour. When I hit 60, it has like a vibration and shake at 60. But if I go 65, 66, anything over like 61, 62, it actually clears out and drives fine. It's just at 60 miles an hour. So definitely looking into that. And then, yeah, we still got to figure out. I'm still trying to figure out the issue with my odometer in here, because the car, when I started, it shows the actual mileage, which this thing has 160,000 miles on it. But like I said, as I drive, it shows, it just goes all over the place, shows error. I think I showed in a couple of videos before, just trying to get, you know, some insight on if anybody's dealt with that before we send it off. We'll pull the seats out, send those off to interior. The dash panel, we'll pull it off and get it wrapped as well. So the whole inside of the car will be done. We got a quote on that. It was like 2,500 bucks. So interior, we got to get done, which is wild, like I said, because I need to find some new mats. I really don't like how the carpet looks, and then you got the old crusty mats. So we got to get those done, because we will be taking this car down to Rick Ross this year, Texas Whip Fest, all of that stuff. And I want it to be clean yet simple, because that's kind of how I am. I'm not one of those over-the-top guys. So we'll get that done. We'll do the console, the rear deck, and build a trunk enclosure, you know, for the subs, and some LED stuff like that. Real simple, nothing just too crazy. But yeah, right now, the main goal is to get this matched, which my guy was like, man, I talked to him yesterday, said give me a couple weeks. to get that figured out. So in the meantime and in between time, I'm definitely gonna get the U-joints done. And I think we're gonna finish the bottom of the car out. I think once I get the U-joints in and get the drive shaft balanced, I think I'm gonna go ahead and shoot it gold, have the drive shaft fully gold underneath the bottom. A lot of the other stuff as well. So it's a little quick update video for y'all, showing y'all where we are now that we got it back from the paint shop, getting the hood and the trunk done. Man, that looks so good. I can't even hold y'all. That dark brown, whatever they call the metallic, antelope metallic, looks killer on here. And I'm also trying to find one of the big E&G grills for the front. If anybody knows where I can get one of those for a reasonable price, let me know. And we'll definitely see if we can make something happen. I've seen the mesh, but I just want to put the E&G grill on here like they used to. Because this car, like I said, is going to be straight Cadillac. It ain't going to be anything, no more, no less. So anyway, man, that's enough of me rambling on y'all. Just letting y'all know the projects we got going on. Trying to get this finished up with the turning it white, get the wheels done. Debating if we should redo these the factory color black. In the comments, y'all let me know if I should do them black or just go back the original color. Should I murder out the wheels on the Escalade as well, or should I just put some aftermarket wheels on the Escalade? It's got 22s on it now. If I change them, I go 24s. That's about it. So anyway, man, y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, man. We just gonna keep pushing out the updates on all these projects I got going while we're in the process of trying to find a new 2-door. So y'all stay tuned. We'll see y'all in the next video.